Hello. Tonight we're making Mountain Dew pork chops using the Seth McGinnis CanCooker Jr. So please stick around. For this one, sorry, I've been running around doing a couple other things, and I'm filming two videos at one time. But tonight we are doing a Mountain Dew pork chops. We're doing it in the CanCooker Jr. It's an interesting little pot. Really, it is. It's just a pot with a nice silicone gasketed lid and something you can clamp down, keep the lid down on tight with one little vent hole. So not quite a pressure cooker, but similar in idea. You steam cook a lot of things. So we're going to do that. It's a simple recipe. Sorry, let me slow down. I have been out here most of the afternoon. I have decided to redesign my camp kitchen from some stuff I made for it last year. So I've set it up. I'm in the process of redesigning my camp kitchen, and so I thought I'd cook a meal out here. It's been quite some time since I've done a Karl's Camp Kitchen meals for base camp set of videos, so I thought, why not? So I've got some bread baking in my little Coleman oven. Well, not really bread, but muffins, you know, still a bread. And it's time to put together this meal, so give me a quick second to get organized again, and we'll get this started. Okay, so first things first, let me slow down. Okay, well, the first thing you want to do with these is spray them. And I guess you could hit them with shortening and stuff too. It's just an aluminum pot. I spray it fairly heavy. I'm going to set that there so I don't trap any flies on the inside of it. This goes together pretty quick. It's mostly just vegetables. I got some baby yellows, and he says to quarter them. I'm going to cut them in half though. A full red bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, 4 carrots, and I've got 3.5. Would you believe that's all you get these days? A full onion and an apple, and then pork chops and seasoning. So I'm going to start chopping these up. I'm going to spare you from watching every bit of that, but chop them up, put them in the little pot. It's for the most part it's all vegetables first. You get a good bed of vegetables, kind of shake it, level it off, and then season your pork chops. Before they put the pork chops in there, put your liquid in there. You need at least 12 ounces for whatever size can cooker you're going to use. So I've got a full can of Mountain Dew soda. Put your liquid in, then put your pork chops down on top of it. Set it down over top of the fire, on top of the stove, and just let it start cooking. As soon as you start seeing steam vent from the weep hole, then you set your timer and keep an eye on it. And this one's going to cook for, I think it was 20 minutes. Cook for 30 minutes. So half an hour after you see steam. That's it. Okay, so got all my vegetables in the pot. Got hopefully just 4 pork chops. Little, almost 2 pounds, one and 3/4 pounds. He calls for mostly his own seasonings, which is fine. I don't have them. I am going to season them first with some Montreal steak. Kind of nicely on one side here. And this other cool seasoning, Sure Shot Sid's gunpowder seasoning, which is kind of a smoky pepper seasonal. Hey, get off there. Seasonal type of thing. I kind of like it. My dad found it for me. Thought I'd like it. All right. Put these little dudes in the pot here. That little guy did not get a lot. I'm going to get in trouble. It is later. Okay, it's 6:45. I told my wife we'd probably be eating by 7. She's kind of particular about how late she stays up. And, oh crap, I forgot the pepper. Oh well. Let me slice that up real fast. Anyhow, and then stoke my fire. Forgot the pepper. Okay. Every so often I'm seeing a wisp of steam come out of there, so I will set my alarm. And there's really not much to do other than just wait, so we'll just kind of ride this one out for a half an hour. Okay, it has been half an hour. I'm going to pull it, take a peek on it. Ooh, well, there's still liquid in there, that's good. I'm going to see if I can okay, bear with me. I'm going to try to do this as steady as I can. But that's it right there. Mountain Dew pork chops in a CanCooker. Alright, so everything is done. Smells really good, and I'm going to show you here how it came out. Went ahead and cut my pork chop up, which is something I usually don't do, but for sake of today I did. So let's see how we did. Pork ain't too bad. It's got good flavor. Texture-wise, it's probably a little firmer. Oh, carrots are nice and tender. No, I did not season anything beyond what we did earlier. Potatoes are good and tender too. The apples almost went to mush. They had a nice sweetness to it. That's really good. So, I love them muffins. Came out really good. I'm going to put a link for this recipe right about there. At least I hope it shows up right about there. And I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me this afternoon. And we'll see you next time.